Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the Aeros RC F-86 Sabre. This is another one on their big Black Friday sales coming up November 17th. You can get, if you use my link, you'll be able to save even more money than what comes with the big sale. So please use my link. It'll help you out. Help me out and help you out. Let's take her up. Let's have some fun. Let the plane do the talking, right? All right. She's got flaps, fixed gear, and a whole lot of attitude. Great if you're looking for your first scale EDF. This is an excellent, excellent choice. Got the drop tanks on. They just slide right in. You can fly with or without. I found that she flies just fine with or without them. All right. As you can see, even though she's silver, the yellow wingtips show up real well. Wind's kind of rocking her around.
Remaining 3 minutes.
That's okay.
Landing flaps.
She features the dynamic mode, which is the same as wind mitigation or optimized mode in the reflex world, and the spectrum world, that's AS3X. She also has the stability mode, which is self-level, and which is like safe in the spectrum world. And then she's got direct mode, which is no kind of gyro at all, just you and the plane. Takeoff flaps this time. Flaps are up. Spinner. The F-86 has always been a very stable platform as it is. Boy, the mosquitoes are bad today. They're just taking their little piece of the pie.
Landing flaps.
Remember, landing's all about throttle.
Flaps up.
There we go. A little touch and go.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
Gonna bring her by fast and low. Well, actually, no, not too fast. Flaps are down. All right, we'll swing her back out.
Flaps up.
Take the flaps up. Now I'm going to bring her by fast.
Landing flaps.
All right, flaps are in. All right, line up for my landing. Oh, just pretty as you please. All right. We still got 1 minute and 16 seconds. Let's take her up a couple more times. Y'all know me, Mr. One More Time. Here we go. Do a no flap landing this time.
Time remaining 1 minute.
A little bouncy bounce there. That's okay. Oh wait, flaps were down.
Flaps up.
I took off and landed everything with flaps down the whole time. Okay, let's try that again. I'm too busy fighting mosquitoes. All right, here we go. I thought it seemed like, boy, she's coming in awfully slow with no flaps down. Flaps were down. Little flare there at the end. All right. Just a great, great little jet. All right.
Prop secure.
Prop secure, that's right. Now, if you notice, you watch my videos, I'm a big advocate for changing your audio prompts from for motor on, then prop secured. Even though it's an EDF, you're not going to be sticking your fingers in the inlet. Just getting that discipline, because motor on, motor off, like Spectrum offers, to me that sounds too much alike. And whenever you're talking to people and you're working on your plane, motor on, motor off, and you hit a bump, you cut your finger. That's, you know, if it said prop secured, it sounds a little more distinct, catches more of your attention. Just a little pro tip I don't charge extra for. Prop secured, and let's see how much juice. That was a 3.5 minute flight and minus about 30 seconds, so 3 minutes of good flying. Just to show you where I've got that Liperior, that is a Liperior brand 2700 4S sitting right there. It has a 30C discharge, it's just slightly warm. Right there is the vector system. Right next to it I have an AR620 antennaless receiver, which is what I really recommend for this plane. And let's see how much juice is in the tank, like GB Lennon likes to say on his website. 38%, so that's perfect storage rate. If I can bring my batteries back anywhere from 20 to 40%, I'm happy. That's a good storage rate. And that's just a great flying little plane right there now. Oh, helps you put the hatch back on, right? Well, folks, that is the Arrows RC F-86 Sabre. Great flying plane. She features the vector stabilization gyro. You'll need to provide your own receiver. Like I say, I do recommend an AR620. She's on the Black Friday sale. The description of everything about this plane, my code and my promotional code for the Black Friday sale will be there. And yeah, you can save a lot of money, a lot more than even on the Black Friday sale if you use my code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, then jets. Bye-bye.